Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Prathamesh Gawande. As a finance student and investor, I am always looking for a way to make my money work harder than fixed deposits. We all love dividends, right? But while stocks can be volatile, there are some hidden gems in Indian markets that pays you for owning national assets like highways and power grids. Today, we are decoding INVITs or Infrastructure Investment Trust. I will show you how they work, which one are the big players in 2026 like PG INVIT and IndiGrid INVIT, and exactly how much regular income you can expect. Let's dive in. What is INVIT? Let's keep it simple. What exactly it is an INVIT? Think of a bridge between a big infrastructure project and a retail investor like you and me. Building a highway cost of thousands of crores. We can't buy a whole highway, but through INVIT, the developer pulls this completed income generating asset into a trust. We buy units of that trust, and in return, we get a share of toll collected or power transmission charges. It's like being landlord, but instead of an apartment, you own a piece of land of infrastructure in India. The magic of 90% rule. Now, why are they famous for regular income? It is because of a very strict SEBI regulation. By law, every INVIT must distribute at least 90% of net cash flow to the unit holders. Unlike a company that might decide to keep its profit to grow, an INVIT is designed to give that cash back to you. Usually, these payouts happen every quarter. So, every 3 months, you see a credit in your bank account. In 2026, where a market volatility is high, this predictable cash flow is a gold. Top 3 INVIT to watch. Let's look at the giants in the sector right now. PG INVIT, Power Grid. This is backed by the Government of India. They own power transmission lines. It's considered very safe because power demand never stops. IndiGrid INVIT. This is India's first listed power transmission INVIT. They have been very consistent with their distribution. As currently it was trading to 160 rupees. It was listed in 100 rupees and it pays total dividend from listing to the date is 118 rupees. So it's the massive growth. For the IRB INVIT. If you have traveled on Mumbai-Pune Expressway, you have seen their work. They manage toll roads. Currently, these trusts are offering yields anywhere between 10 to 13%. Compared to the FD, which is 7%, it's a massive difference for a long-term portfolio. As they also provide the dividend, which is around 13 to 15%, and they also give a growth in real-time market, which is nearby 10 to 12%. So it's a two-way income. So now, what's the risk and conclusion? Is this risk-free? No. The biggest risk is interest rate. If RBI increase the interest rate, the price of INVIT units might fall. Also, for roads INVIT, if traffic decreases, the income drops. But for someone looking for the retirement kitty or a way of supplement their monthly stipend, INVIT are excellent passive income machine. Further, our focus is here towards the dividend income. So there was no change in that, and we will absolutely get 90% of their income as a form of dividend. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I post deep down dives into financial markets every week. Comment below which INVIT is your favorite. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.